Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to CR1s. In this video, we will see Atan function from PowerFX using Power Apps. Firstly, open make.powerapps.com in your Chrome or any browser. Then edit your Canvas app or create blank Canvas app. Here my Canvas app name is Test. In Canvas app, we will use labels, text input and buttons. We will place formulas on buttons for to calculate and clear the data. Now we will preview it. Click on play button. Then we will see I am giving 1.35. Once you click on calculate button, then we will see 0.93324. Once you click on clear button, then automatically clear text input data. For more detailed information like formulas or anything, please check the below description link. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.